Sorkar Meghalaya lingba Conrad ki Sangma Menteri Rangba kalau pentip bakajing penlip ding kat kum kapor balabu kadang ya cakmat ha Shillong bertura kum shibenta kajing pentrekam ya ke revamped distribution sector scheme RDSS. Haba pentip ya kene ha kajan miet jong kat wai teri guna opera arja arpsan Menteri Rangba uloong bakani ke RDSS ke kentup ya kajing Pyndait Thymmai ya ki transformer kajing bujli ya ki wire berim bat ki wai ki kam. Nagabakadaw baya kanika kam lamang tingka kandai spa klur. Conrad ulaang bagajing pentray kalong ban penti kana bagajing sambording electric kan long kabayat bayat runti syakinong shong shnong kajella.
In the recent past, I've been receiving some messages from the public concerned about the frequent shutdowns that are taking place in the power supply in different locations like Shillong, Tura, Jawai and other locations. And people are concerned why this kind of load shedding is taking place. I wanted to clarify to the people that this is not a load shedding. This is a regulated shutdown, and the main purpose of the shutdown is to implement the RDSS scheme, where close to 2,600 new transformers are being either replaced or being installed. 3,800 kilometers of old wires are being replaced. 4,300 kilometers of new lines are being laid. This is a 900 crore project and implementation is going on. And for that to happen, the shutdown is necessary. We are ensuring that we minimize it, and we're also ensuring that we communicate to the people. But there is a communication gap where the message is not going to the grassroots. And I have requested MECL and Power Department to ensure that a better communication system is done so that information can reach to the people on time. But I just wanted to clarify that this is a necessary procedure. There will be slight inconvenience, but this is being done for the larger interest of more stable power in the future and for the larger interest of the people and the state.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.